AI is transforming the world, and the demand for skilled AI professionals has never been higher. Whether you want to become a leading AI consultant or a certified trainer delivering AI-in-a-box training programs, our flexible training paths, online, hands-on, and in person, are your gateway to success. Start with our free offering or dive into advanced tracks to shape your career in AI. Register now, book your session, or visit our website to take the first step toward a future in one of the most in-demand careers today.
Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI strategy frameworks. Picture this as a roadmap that guides how a country or organization can effectively use artificial intelligence.
That's right, Sarah. Imagine trying to bake a cake without a recipe. A strategy framework is like that recipe, ensuring all the right ingredients and steps are in place to achieve success, from local efforts to global influence.
At the international level, many countries aim to improve their rankings on global indices, like the Global AI Index. This not only showcases their technological advancements, but also boosts their standing on the world stage.
Exactly. It's a bit like competing in the Olympics. Nations strive to be seen as leaders in AI technology, and these indices are their scorecards.
Now let's zoom in on national goals. Governments often lead the charge in implementing AI strategies to streamline their services, like in healthcare or transportation.
Yes, national AI policies can drastically improve public services. For instance, AI might be used to reduce waiting times in government offices, making everything more efficient.
Moving to organizations, they focus on using AI to enhance their public services and improve efficiency. This requires developing AI skills within the workforce, similar to how new tools are adopted in any profession.
Think of it this way. If a government agency uses AI to optimize processes, it can significantly elevate service delivery. Employees need to be trained and ready to use these new tools effectively.
High-level AI initiatives create roadmaps that guide integration within organizations, ensuring that these efforts align with broader missions and goals.
AI use cases are everywhere. From chatbots in customer service to complex data management systems, these applications help organizations meet their missions more efficiently.
Ultimately, an AI strategy framework is key to successful AI adoption. It connects individual, organizational, and national efforts, ensuring a coherent and competitive approach.
By aligning with global standards, it helps drive innovation and competitiveness, equipping everyone with the tools needed to succeed in the AI realm.
So, in summary, understanding strategic initiatives within an AI framework prepares you for success by ensuring alignment with broader goals. Up next, we'll explore how these frameworks are implemented in different sectors. Let's delve into AI governance, risk compliance, and ethical considerations. It's crucial to establish frameworks that manage risks associated with AI technologies.
Yes, and these frameworks help ensure AI systems align with company goals and legal standards, making operations safe and lawful. Think of it like having a rulebook to play a game fairly and safely.
Exactly. In sectors like finance, AI is used for fraud detection, which requires strict adherence to financial regulations to ensure ethical practices. Pause one. Can you imagine if there weren't rules? Things could get out of hand very quickly.
Now, moving on to evaluating AI maturity, it's all about assessing how well AI has been integrated and utilized within an organization.
That's right. We look at technology adoption, data management, and workforce readiness. It's like checking if your tools are up to date, if you're storing materials safely, and if everyone knows how to use them properly.
This assessment helps organizations identify areas for improvement and plan strategically for future AI endeavors. It's like setting a roadmap for better results.
Next, let's address the ethical use of AI. We need principles like fairness, transparency, and accountability. This ensures AI systems treat everyone equally and are clear about their operations.
Challenges arise with bias in data and lack of explainability. AI can unintentionally reflect societal biases in the data it learns from, leading to unfair outcomes.
A practical example is AI-driven hiring tools. These systems must be carefully designed to prevent discrimination based on race or gender.
Moving on to personal data protection laws, these regulations govern how personal data is collected and protected. They're vital for individual privacy.
Exactly. Laws like GDPR in Europe and CCPA in California set high standards for data privacy, ensuring organizations use personal data responsibly. It's about giving people control over their own information.
For learners, understanding compliance and ethics is essential. It underscores the importance of using AI responsibly, both legally and ethically.
Equipping learners with this knowledge prepares them for advanced AI topics. It helps them advocate for responsible AI practices within their organizations.
By focusing on governance, ethical considerations, and data protection, we ensure AI technologies are used effectively and responsibly, aligning with legal and ethical standards.
Absolutely. Now, let's explore how these fundamentals pave the way for more in-depth discussions in our upcoming segments. Let's dive into the concept of an AI strategy framework and how it can guide your business into the future. Have you ever wondered how businesses decide to use AI for specific tasks or projects?
Absolutely, Sarah. Crafting an effective AI strategy is a bit like planning a road trip. You start by identifying the best routes or opportunities where AI can make a significant impact.
Exactly, like automating customer service to save time or using predictive maintenance to prevent equipment failures, which are both great examples of impactful AI initiatives. But once you have these opportunities in mind, what's next?
Next up, gathering essential data is crucial. Think of data as the fuel for AI models, powering their accuracy and effectiveness. Without it, you won't get very far, just like a car without fuel.
Great analogy, Rana. Then it's about evaluating feasibility. Ask yourself, is this AI project practical? Using something like a return on investment analysis helps prioritize which projects to pursue.
After that, it's about creating a strategic roadmap. This plan should outline each phase of AI implementation while aligning with your overall business goals. Imagine it as a blueprint guiding each step toward AI integration.
That's spot on. Now let's talk about building AI capabilities. It involves evaluating your current resources. Are you ready for AI? A skills gap analysis can reveal what's lacking in terms of knowledge or tools.
And once you know what you need, providing support and training becomes essential. Equip your team with the necessary skills, and they'll feel more confident engaging with AI technologies.
Plus, AI can automate mundane tasks like data entry, so employees focus on more strategic activities. Now, when it comes to deploying AI solutions, what should businesses consider?
Establishing a strong IT infrastructure is key. Think of technologies like cloud services and scalable storage as the backbone supporting AI solutions.
And monitoring AI performance is crucial to ensure systems are meeting expectations. Real-time analytics dashboards are handy tools for tracking performance and spotting areas for improvement.
Managing AI systems efficiently ensures smooth operation and integration with existing processes, avoiding disruptions. But what about supporting strategies?
Developing complementary strategies backs up AI initiatives. Change management plans help facilitate smooth adoption across the organization.
Conducting a gap analysis is also useful. It identifies discrepancies between current capabilities and goals, providing a roadmap for necessary improvements.
So how does this all apply in real-world scenarios?
This framework helps businesses harness AI for informed decision-making and operational efficiency. It lays the foundation for advanced AI strategies, preparing companies to tackle modern business complexities.
In conclusion, this AI strategy framework is essential for businesses aiming to integrate AI effectively. By following these steps, organizations can harness AI's full potential for innovation and growth in a rapidly changing world.
Ready to explore further? Let's move on to our next topic and continue this journey into AI awareness.
Today, we're diving into a comprehensive framework designed to support strategies and perform gap analysis within organizations. Simply put, this is about figuring out where a company stands, where it wants to go, and how to bridge that gap.
That's right, Sarah. This framework helps organizations align their initiatives with their goals, assess resources, and implement sustainable strategies. It's like creating a roadmap to success by focusing on data-driven decisions, automation, and a solid infrastructure.
Let's start with the groundwork phase. It's like laying the foundation of a building. First, organizations need to identify key projects, ensuring that these initiatives align with their broader objectives. Imagine a company deciding to focus more on digital marketing because it supports their goal of increasing online sales.
Exactly. And to make informed decisions, they must collect relevant data. This could be anything from customer feedback to market trends. By analyzing this data, businesses can gain insights that validate their strategies and guide decision-making.
Following that, it's crucial to assess current capabilities. By doing regular evaluations, organizations can identify their strengths and weaknesses. This evaluation helps prioritize initiatives based on their potential impact and benefit, ensuring resources are used efficiently.
Once priorities are set, building a roadmap becomes essential. This means creating a strategic plan with clear timelines and milestones, allowing organizations to track their progress and adjust as needed.
Moving to the build phase, it's about establishing capabilities. This involves evaluating the resources available, such as tools and processes, to support new initiatives. For instance, a company might need new software to enhance productivity.
Yes, and providing support to teams is vital. By fostering collaboration and encouraging knowledge sharing, teams can work more effectively and enhance overall performance. Automation also plays a key role here as it boosts efficiency by streamlining processes.
The deploy phase focuses on implementing and monitoring these strategies. Robust IT systems are crucial to support these initiatives, ensuring they are scalable and secure. Continuous monitoring allows organizations to track performance and make necessary adjustments based on feedback.
And let's not forget administration. It's all about managing resources efficiently and ensuring compliance with governance and compliance standards. This builds trust and integrity within the organization.
Supporting strategies enhance efficiency and innovation further. For example, a data layer strategy could facilitate seamless data sharing between government organizations, improving overall services.
Supporting AI initiatives involves promoting open data policies, which drive innovation and create AI-driven solutions that enhance service capabilities. It's like having a smart assistant that helps improve services based on real data.
IT infrastructure strategy is another aspect, optimizing workflows and improving user experiences. This could be as simple as making an app more user-friendly or as complex as integrating AI into existing systems.
Speaking of AI, MLOps, or machine learning operations, help achieve more consistent outcomes by seamlessly integrating AI solutions into systems. Meanwhile, IT procurement strategies focus on cost effectiveness, such as adopting open-source technologies to reduce costs and spur innovation.
Governance, risk, and compliance are also critical. Organizations need to ensure responsible AI use and comply with personal data protection laws. Cybersecurity measures must be strengthened to protect data privacy.
In conclusion, this framework helps organizations develop and implement strategies that foster growth and efficiency. By focusing on data, automation, and robust systems, they can identify and close gaps, effectively meeting their strategic objectives.
This sets the stage for our next topic, where we'll explore how to practically apply these principles. Ready to dive deeper?
Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you found it insightful and valuable for your AI journey. Don't forget to share this session with others, like the video, and subscribe for more updates and exclusive content. Ready to take the next step? Visit our website to explore more programs or book your next training session today.